it's your girl Devonna Nicole. Thank you guys for joining me today. So guys, I have our brown sugar box by Izzy and Liv finishing off the month. And this is a lifestyle box, a black lifestyle box. This box is $42 plus $8.95 shipping and handling. So it runs about $50 plus taxes. If you live somewhere with taxes, you can figure that in. So in this box, we always get like a t-shirt, and every month they have different themes for the box. And again, this is a monthly black lifestyle box, so you guys know. So this is September 2023. We're going to get right into unboxing this thing without any further delay, and let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna give you your sneak peek. That's your sneak peek. And we're going to get right into this thing. So we get a nice little mini magazine, I would say. It has fall edit is the theme for the month, and we have a QR code where you can get all of the fun stuff that would normally come in the regular magazine they used to do. You can just scan the code here, go online, you can look at the playlist, you can check out the articles and all that little fun stuff they normally would have, like on here, transition into your fall routine, places to visit in September. So all that stuff still exists. It's just now online instead of them printing it. So you know, everybody's cutting back to save money, so they are too. So on the inside, we have our products that's in our box, the options that could be in here, as well as the colors that they come in and how many other colors they came in and all that stuff. Our box value for this month is valued at $110. So without further delay, we're going to get right into what we have in this box. So guys, the first thing I'm going to pull out, we have some hair clips here. So this is the Grown Travel Bedazzled hair clips. We could have got one of two. I like the ones that I have. Let me take it out of the plastic so you guys don't have the glare going on. But let's see. So guys, these are the hair clips that we have. I think this is so much fun. And we have what it says, self-love, healed is on two of them. We have some bling here. We have a nice simple one here to put in your hair if you're putting your hair up or got your afro puffing and need a little pop. You got a little something to go work with. Or you got a boring bun on like I do sometimes. You need some kind of help to bling out yourself. This will work perfect. So guys, this is valued at $22, and it says spruce up your hairstyles with these glitzy hair clips for any occasion, day or night. You'll get one set of 6 front text and variations. So I like the ones that I have. I know you guys probably cannot see this little mini thing here or what's there, but yes, another option. But I like the ones that I got, so I think that's cool. So let's hit the next thing that's in here. So what is this? Okay, so we got a silicone body scrubber. I was just thinking about if I should get one of these. So we got it in here. So I got the color blue. You know I'm a purple girl, so you know I'm partial to purple or pink. Or pink would have been good too. I ain't really a blue girl, but here we go. This is the silicone body scrubber. It has a little info here on the back. Let's take it out. And this did come in 3 colors in total. So guys, this is what it looks like outside of the packaging. This is the inside of it. So this is great. You need to get in there and get your back. Get your arm, get your knee, get your leg. And it has the little, what are these things called? I forget, these little silicone nubs here. The kind of, I guess, rub in your lather and help kind of exfoliate some of the skin. So you could have gotten one of the 3 colors here. So they had pink, blue, and purple. And again, I did not get the purple. But this is valued at $15. I think this is good for self-care, definitely. Taking care of yourself. And if you're getting older like me and you can't reach all them places, that would be working perfect for getting your back and your shoulder. So I think this would be like good to use. And it says, we've got your back lightweight, gentle silicone bristles. And it's made for all skin types, easy for massages and exfoliation, and relieves muscle tension. So that's good, like from the gym when I be lifting weights and then my shoulders and stuff be tight, I could kind of use this. And so you got one side here just kind of got just the little splat silicones, and then you got the other side with the nubs on it. So I think that's great. And then on the back here, it does give you a little information on the back card that it comes with about how to use it. So I think that's good. And it says it's designed to be comfortable, grip from both ends, making it easy access. I think that's good too. So long as it doesn't pop and it wears well, I think this will be definitely something anybody can make use of that showers and stuff. So I think this is cool. So let's hit up our next item in here. And y'all, what do we have? Oh, we got is this a soap? Yeah, we got a jasmine and honey shea butter soap. So this is Glow Organic Shea Butter Bar Soap. It was one of 4 that you could have received. It's valued at $9, and you've asked for them, and now they're back. An all-in-one hydrating and nourishing moisturizing organic soap with a rich lather and a pleasant scent to leave your skin feeling nice. So I think that's great. There was one of 4. You could have got the refreshing scent of cucumber and olive oil, blissful fresh milk, sun-kissed lemon, or honey dripped jasmine and honey. So I like what I have. It smells very clean, which I really like. I like stuff that smells really, really clean. But yeah, we got a bar soap here at 9. And I do remember them having this before. It was a while ago, I want to say. It was a while ago. Was it last year? Who knows? I don't remember everything. I get so much stuff, I can't keep up with all this stuff. So let's hit up the next thing. The next thing we have, what is it? I've never seen this before. Hold on. So this is a well manicured nail care kit. Okay. So I have this cognac looking color here, and it looks like it only came in one of 2. They have some information here about what's in your kit, and it has Izzy and Liv on the front. And I wonder if this is like a vegan leather or something like that. A 12-piece set includes eyebrow tweezers, large nail clipper, oblique nail clippers, beauty scissors, a small nail clipper, a nail file, pedicure knife. Oh wow. Dead skin fork scraper, double-ended black, what is it? A double-ended something. Pick. Oh, a double-ended pick. I'm sorry, I couldn't see, you know, these little writing. And it says you can get 1 of 3 prints. Oh, it's 3. I only see 2 on here. And it says it is a PU leather case, flower child and fluorescent, attraction and full bloom. But I only see 2. They're saying that there's 4, but I only see 2 colors here that was offered. So I'm glad that I got the darker color, which is this one here. So let's open it up. So guys, this is how it looks when you first pull it open. And look at all the stuff that's in here. Like, I mean, really, look at that. That's a lot. And it has like little, the print kind of going on at the top here is what you're seeing in the background. And then everything's kind of like metallic-y, sort of bronzy looking on the inside. So how cool is that? And yeah, it got a lot of stuff in here. Got the pusher for your cuticles to go back. We have the scissors. We have the small nail file, the big toe nail file, the tweezers. Oh, look at the knife. They got a little knife in here too. To go, I guess, to cut something off your toe or something. That's the only thing that could be for. But how neat is this? I've never seen one like this. This looks like it was some thought put into this. I like this. This is valued at $24 for this set. I don't know about the value, but I think it's nice. I can use this definitely. So that works. So let's hit the next thing up. And we're down to the last thing. Can you believe it? we have our supposed to be shirt of the month, but what I'm reading here says this is the dress tee of the month. So we got a dress to the tee pocket t-shirt dress and one of 6 prints. This is valued at $40. Let me take it out the plastic. So this is our dress. We have short sleeves, which I like because it is that kind of time of the year. You don't know if it's going to be warm, nice, not nice. So this is our print. What is this print called? Does that say which one this is? This is, no, it doesn't say what color the print is. Let me see what this says on here. So guys, this is the dress. It comes in one of 6. You could kind of see there's different ones. Let's see, maybe this is Gorgeous Muse. So the different prints you could have got was Kissed in Mahogany, Electric Vibes, Week of Art, Smooth Sailing, or Gorgeous Muse. So I don't know which one is which, and I don't know which one I have, but it's nice. Let me show you the end of it. So it's like a shirt at the end, like a shirt dress. Does have a little cinch here in the waist. This is the waist right in here. So it does give you a little shape. It's not like it's straight down, which I think is nice. That'll look more complement your features of your body. And it does have a pocket here, which I think is nice too on both sides, I think. Yeah, pockets on both sides. So this is definitely very nice to kind of lounge around and run your errands with. And I think this is a nice dress. It's not too thick. It's pretty light, and with this in between weather we keep having, I think this is kind of perfect for this time of year. Very chill, laid back dress you could kind of wear out and run your little errands with. I actually like this for the summer because of the colors. For some reason that white kind of makes me think summer, spring. So we'll see how this weather holds up. I think we get 70 something next week, so we'll see if I can wear it then. I don't know. If not, we'll get to it eventually. So I think this is cute. I like the crew neck. I like that better on me anyway. I know we all got different preferences when it comes to our neck, but I think this is kind of works better for me for my shape since I'm short. But guys, yeah, that's it. So we have, how many products came this month? Let's go through what we got. So we have our shirt dress valued at $40. We have our manicure kit here. This is valued at $24. We have our silicone body scrubber. I have that in blue. This is valued at $15. We have our bar of soap, which is valued at $9, the Shea Butter soap. And I have honey dipped jasmine and honey shea butter soap. Very clean, very clean. I like that scent. And then we have our hair clips here. So something different this month, definitely. I thought this was fun. Fall edit. Yeah, I guess I can kind of see it. I feel like you got the 2 body care kind of things, and then you got your clips and the manicure. I don't know if I feel like it all came together, but I feel like everything in here is pretty nice and you can use it, and I like that. So I really like this manicure kit because I needed an upgraded one like this with all the stuff in it. So this works out well. It's better than the one from the dollar store, it looks like. So I'll put this in use now. And then I love the clips. I think these are so much fun. Give you a little personality when you go somewhere. Instead of a boring hairstyle like a bun, give it a pop. So guys, that is the box and review. Total value for this box, again, is $110. The box costs $42 plus $8.95 shipping and handling and tax if you live in a state with tax, which is most of you. So you're looking at about $50 or more depending on where you live at. So that's the box and review, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you guys picked this up and you got something different from me, what did you get? Did you like what you got? Did you like the color that you got? I wish I could switch with somebody for this purple and this body scrubber, because you know the blue just feels so, I don't know, it feels masculine to me. Anywho, that's the box for this month. So if you did get it, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you got. Did you like it? And how did your dress fit, by the way, too? Did you like the fit? So guys, until my next video, I will see you guys next time. But if you have not subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so. I do post weekly. I love sharing what's in my subscription boxes every month. I love hearing what you get. And I'm newsy and I just like to see what other people got other than me. So I just think it's fun to see the other unboxings, to see what other people got and the options and how they felt about everything. But you know, if you're into that kind of thing, we do the subscription boxes over here. If you enjoy that content, please hit the subscribe button and also tap the notification bell. It will let you know when I next post. But until next time, guys, getting ready for fall. I will see you on the next one. Bye.